Hiacinto articulating bore scope, endoscope, inspection camera. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Really nice zippered case, padded case. You get a set of instructions with it. You get some cleaning wipes with it, so you can clean off the 5-inch screen that you have on here. And we get a USB charging cable because it's a rechargeable device. On the side here, you remove this little rubber slat, and it comes with a 64 gig memory card. And there's the plug where you charge it. I was also able to plug this into my computer to drag and drop files. It recognized it as a drive. The unit itself is about 11 inches long in this section. Really nice feeling handle on there, made out of a lightweight plastic. We've got some rubber right here that gives it a good ergonomic feel and a grip. We have a 5-foot long gooseneck cable that's wrapped in vinyl that is IP67 waterproof and is heat resistant up to about 176 degrees Fahrenheit, and it has heat protection. It'll shut itself off. You long press the power button on the top and it turns the device on. At the end of this cable, we've got a camera right here. Pull this cap off, and we've got a wheel right here. The wheel moves the camera. Different angle. Look at that. It's got a pretty good range of motion with this wheel for turning this camera. This gooseneck cable is great for pushing through like insulation and stuff like that. That's what I was able to do with it, and I took some videos earlier. But while I got the camera exposed, we have 6 buttons on the front right here. This button is a triple function button. It functions as an up button as opposed to this down button. It's a light, and it's also a zoom button. So if you press it once, light comes on high, medium, low, and then off. If you press and hold the button, it zooms. Over here on the right, we have a mode button. There's 3 modes on this. You can see right now that it's set to camera mode. If I press it again, it goes to video camera mode. And if I press it a 3rd time, it shows us all of the pictures and videos that we've taken, and you can use these up-down buttons to scroll through them. The OK button acts as an enter, so if we want to look at an image we took, for instance, we just press the OK button. So there's a settings button right here on the left, and the settings button is good for each of the 2 modes. So if I have it on camera mode and I want to change the camera settings, I hit this, and we have the option to change the resolution, put a date label on there, or turn the shutter sound off and on. If I press it again, it brings us to the settings for the entire machine, which we can scroll through here. We can set it to auto power off, which I have it set for 5 minutes here. We can change the language on it. There's several languages. We can change the date and time. We could format a new disk if we put one in, set it back to default, and it shows you the internal memory, what's going on in there. We have 58 gigs left on the 64 gig card. If I go over to the video and press the settings, we have different video options we can choose from, different resolutions. We can choose if we want to record with or without sound, and we can choose if we want to have a date label placed on the videos. To show you how it works, it's pretty simple. So if I've got it in camera mode and I want to take a picture, you just press the camera button. If I have it in video mode and I want to take a video, you just press the video button. When you're done, you just press the recording button again and it stops. Now if we want to view those pictures, we go in here. Here's the image I just took. We'll hit the OK button, pull it up, we'll go back. We can go over here to the video I just took and hit OK. And there's a couple different features in this video that I like. So you can use these as a fast forward and a rewind. If we wanted to fast forward 2 times, 4 times, 8 times, we can do that. Also, if we're playing it, we can rewind 2 times, 4 times, and 8 times. So that's a cool feature on there. So an inspection scope like this would obviously be great for mechanics, plumbers, home inspectors. Maybe you've got something going on inside of your wall. You want to poke a little hole through there, stick a camera up there and take a look and see what's going on. Perfect for that. It's lightweight, easy to use. You can take pictures, you can take videos, you can drop them on your computer when you're done, send them to somebody if you need to. It's a pretty awesome little lightweight device.